Well done, Mia. Anya, what do you think of Mia's performance?
I actually haven't wrote a lot down because for the first bit I was just kind of staring at you. And Mia, you need to be really, really proud of that. I mean, I know you don't believe that you've done really well, but you have. That was incredible. I've never, ever in my life heard you push as much as you just did. And I think we are all quite a bit surprised actually, because them notes you've just hit right there, you've never done before in VOTV. And it's really strange to see that you've grown so much, but you can't see it. I'm so glad you've come back here because you need this. You've got a voice, you just need your belief. It was an incredible audition, you're powerful, it was just beautiful. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, the power, I mean, honestly, the growth in your voice since we've seen you last, that power, I don't know where that came from, because it's so different from, like, you were singing Billie Eilish before, and to take on, like, a Celine Dion song, that takes so much courage. I don't think you realise how well that you handled that. We all, like, we've missed the timing. In, what was it, All Stars, wasn't it? Power of Love, I've been singing that song since I was like 12 years of age, and I didn't get the timing right. I came in wrong and I had to restart. And the only reason no one knows is because it didn't go up online that I needed to restart. But everybody does that. It's just part of what happens. We forget the words, we forget the timing, but you've got to dust yourself off and get back on with it. You've got talent there, and I know that you doubt yourself and you beat yourself up so much. You really do. I think I'm glad you've come back, because like Anya said, you do need this process. You need to learn to be a little bit easier on yourself and appreciate the talent that you have. You should be really proud of that. I don't think you are, but I hope you watch it back and I hope you are proud of it.
I like to go off time on purpose when I'm on stage and a gig. I deliberately go off key and off pitch and everything for fun. You know, because it's not a big deal. And the minute you realise it's not a big deal, that's the minute you realise, hang on, I don't need to worry about this. And Mia, obviously I've worked with you before and you came so far from what we did. And it does feel like that you've kind of lost a little bit of belief in yourself a little bit again. And you got to a place last time we saw you where you really start to showcase what you was capable of. And never ever doubt that. It doesn't matter what's thrown at you, no matter how many processes do, or you might not get through, it makes no difference. You still got talent. That's all that matters. You know, so don't ever let anything knock you. I'm glad that you come back to this process because I generally do believe this can help you. I really do think it can help you. So you should be ready. I mean, I'm glad you picked that song choice. No matter if you felt like you messed up or whatever, so, because it did suit you and it did showcase what you could do in places. So be proud of what you just done. And like I said, from you, just look at it and think, do you know what? I'm going to smash my next performance even more. That's all you got to think. All right? Well done. Well done, Mia.